Hi friends, let's get started today with a physics topic, that is vectors and scalars. It may sound like some of the anonymous words, but this is a very easy topic in the physics. See, as simple as this. See, the only difference is that its main definition is that vectors has magnitude, that is size, and direction. And now coming to scalars, it only has magnitude. I mean to say size. So what is this vectors and scalars? These are the quantities. These are known as the quantities. That maybe sounds you like, what's this? Let's give me an example that may clear every doubt you have. See, I think this is a floor, and like I have a bike. Sorry, I'm not able to get it. I have a bike. Let's say some object. When you're gonna move this like 10 kilometers, this is known as moving 10 kilometers is known as scalar. Why is it scalar? Since you only know the magnitude, that is the what do you mean by the kilometer? I mean to say the length or the scalar quantity, you only know the scalar quantity. So it is termed as scalar quantity since it's only magnitude you know. So let me give the same example with some more better understanding. See, I have moved 10 kilometers in forward direction or right direction. So this is known as stating that the bike has moved 10 kilometers in forward direction is known as vector quantity. Since it is stating the magnitude or size, that is the quantity, and the direction like forward, backward, upward, right, left, or anything. So when you're gonna couple both of them, like the magnitude, size, and direction, that is termed as vector. I mean to say vector quantity. When you're gonna simply say the magnitude, like he has moved 10 kilometers, that's say scalar one. So that's the only difference between the vector and scalar. By this, I think you might have got it. So when you're gonna say something like the bike has moved 10 kilometers, it is a scalar quantity. And here you say the term moves. You use moving, it has moved 10 kilometers, and such a way. When you're gonna state the same, like the bike has displaced 10 kilometers in forward direction, this is a vector since it has both magnitude and the direction. For the vector quantity, you use the term displaced, not the move. So there is a technical difference between these two. Moves just has like magnitude and doesn't mean to say the direction. When you're going to specify the direction, you're going to use displaced, right? Displaced in such a way. That's it, friends. That's one of the easiest topic, I think. Do have fun. Thanks.